Hi there! Today we're going to talk about channel marketing. We're going to explain what it means and define the steps to create a channel marketing strategy with examples. Channel marketing refers to the process by which a company or a producer promotes and sells their products through third parties, known as intermediaries or channels. These intermediaries can include distributors, retailers, wholesalers, and even internet platforms. The goal of channel marketing is to expand a company's reach and drive product sales by utilizing partners that have access to areas or demographics that the company might not be able to reach directly. Channel marketing can take on several forms, including direct marketing and indirect marketing. Direct marketing is an approach where a company sells its products directly to the end customer without any intermediaries. Examples of that might include a software company selling their software directly from their website, or a farmer selling their produce directly at a farmer's market. Indirect marketing, on the other hand, is an approach where the company utilizes intermediaries to reach the end customers. For example, a manufacturer may be selling goods to a distributor, who in turn sells to a retailer, who then sells to the end customer. This is a very common approach in industries with complex supply chains, such as the automotive industry and the electronics industry. To successfully implement a channel marketing strategy, a company must consider some steps. Step number 1 is channel design. This is the initial phase, and it involves determining the optimal mix of sales and distribution channels that would efficiently reach the target customer base. This must be informed by market research and understanding of customer preferences, habits, and expectations. For instance, a tech company might find that its young, tech-savvy target audience prefer online shopping, so it might decide to focus on e-commerce platforms and its own website as the primary sales channels. The channel design stage also takes into consideration the nature of the product. For instance, perishable goods require quicker and more direct channels. Step number 2 is channel management. Managing channel partners involves building and maintaining positive and productive relationships with intermediaries. This could involve regular communication, problem solving, support in terms of training and resources, and conflict resolution. To ensure that you're building that strong relationship with your intermediaries, you need clear communication. Open and transparent communication is essential in this case, and that includes sharing clear agreements and business goals, product information, and marketing plans as well. Setting responsibilities and expectations for each party can help you build that trust and ensure that everyone is aligned and transparent. Another important element here is training and education. Providing intermediaries with training and education about your products can help them sell more effectively. This could include product demonstrations, sales techniques, competitive positioning, and many more things. Step number 3 is channel motivation. Motivating channel partners is key to driving more sales. Incentives in this case might be financial, such as offering volume discounts or performance bonus, but they can also be non-financial incentives, like providing exclusive rights to sell in certain areas or granting access to special promotional materials. You might even offer greater involvement in the decision-making process. The goal here is to ensure that intermediaries are motivated to prioritize that company's products and perform to the best of their abilities. Step number 4 is channel evaluation. Regular evaluation of channel performance is critical to ensure that the channel strategy is working effectively. This could involve tracking metrics like sales volume, customer satisfaction, market share, or the cost effectiveness of different channels. It could also involve getting feedback from channel partners and customers too. Based on this evaluation, a company can identify areas for improvement, resolve issues, and make necessary adjustments to its channel strategy. This comprehensive approach allows a company to systematically plan, implement, and optimize its channel marketing strategy. Examples of channel marketing can be found in so many industries. Apple, for example, uses a multi-channel marketing approach. They sell their products directly through their own retail stores and website, which is direct marketing, and they also sell through third-party retailers and resellers too, and that is indirect marketing. In the book industry, a publisher like Penguin Random House might sell books directly to consumers through their website, but they also distribute books to various retailers, like Amazon for example, who then sells to end consumers. This is another example of a multi-channel marketing strategy. In the digital world, a software as a service company like Salesforce might sell their product directly through their website, but they also partner with consulting firms like Accenture or Deloitte, who can offer the software as part of their broader consulting services. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that you found this information useful. But if you have any further questions, we're happy to help you. Just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you.